Today I have come here to show the respect on behalf of Rahul ji and the All India Congress Committee. Zabin is the ambassador of Assam. He is immortal on his music, culture and tradition. The Congress party, we had a working committee meeting in Patna, Bihar. Rahul Gandhi moved a resolution for his condolence. We all stand on the solidarity with him. A great, the cultural ethics, what he had, can't be removed in the history of Indian music. About more than 40 languages. The people across the world love him. Even in Kannada, though I am from Karnataka, he has contributed very great music, lyrics. So I have come here to pay our respect. We stand united, and I could get a lot of calls in Bangalore from Assamese. They were so excited that I am representing and I am going here. They also have a small request. My Karnataka government will contribute to them. They are asking for a land also there. We will give to them. As soon as I go back, I will decide. We will see that the bondage between Assam and Karnataka will grow stronger. All the Northeast people working in Bangalore and Karnataka, they are well disciplined, well cultured, they work hard in whatever they feel they are. More than 5 lakh people in Karnataka. So I would like to tell, our bondage grows stronger, and my President Mr. Gogai, he was very much wanted all of us to be here. I have come with a team of leaders to pay our respect here, and for all the family members and all the fans of Zabin, we pray to give strength to all of them, and may his soul rest in peace.